Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and refrigerant. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts, and recover refrigerant with a certified unit so you comply with laws and protect the system. Once done, raise the car and place it on stands. Make sure it is stable. Remove the accessory belt and any shrouds or brackets blocking the compressor. You're acting now to expose the compressor, work methodically, and keep fasteners labeled so reinstallation is straightforward. With the unit exposed, you'll handle the fluid and electrical interfaces carefully. First, label and unplug the electrical connectors so you can match them later and protect the pins. Next, loosen the high and low side refrigerant lines using the proper wrench for flare fittings or an O-ring tool, then cap the ports to keep contaminants out. Once lines are clear, support the compressor with a hand or jack and remove the mounting bolts. This prevents sudden drops and stress on remaining hoses. Now you lift the compressor out and inspect it. Check the clutch engagement, shaft play, and oil color for metal contamination because that tells you if other parts failed. Replace all O-rings and seals, clean mating surfaces, and transfer any brackets or spacers so fitment remains correct. Reinstall in reverse order, torque bolts to spec, then vacuum the system to about 29 in Hg to remove moisture. After that, recharge to manufacturer charge. If pressure won't hold,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.